There are a couple of trends that relate to reliability. Here is one. If we let the horizontal axis represent time and the vertical axis represent the percent of the workforce in various different fields, this line right here, label it F, would be the farm workforce. It's down now under 3%, but originally it was a good bit higher than that. When the Industrial Revolution came along, you had a growth in industry, which has come down a little bit, but there's still a lot of industry that is out there. And more lately, we have the service industry coming along, so I'll label that S. Here is people working in factories rather than on farms. That's working in industry. Second trend I'll put down here on this horizontal axis. This time we're going to have the number of items produced, and I'll go ahead and use a logarithmic scale here. Here's producing 1, here 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, etc. Before the Industrial Revolution, if a blacksmith was putting horseshoes on horses, it would take about 10,000 times as long to put on 10,000 horseshoes as to put on one, so you didn't get much efficiency. But then along came the Industrial Revolution, and of course the first automobile, when you consider how long it took to produce it, with all of the engineering design and everything else, of course, making that first automobile was very expensive, but then due to interchangeable parts, division of labor, assembly lines, etc., you come down and the 10,000, if you make 10,000 automobiles, it'll be much cheaper than one. So this trend right here is basically the effect of the Industrial Revolution. Then along came computers, and with those computers, that pretty much knocked down this part of the curve. And that would be due to things like computer-aided manufacturing, computer-aided design, etc., where now we can make one piece quite cheaply custom by letting the computer get involved. Now, where does reliability fit into all of this? Reliability fits in here because you have to design in the reliability way ahead of time before you let the computer take over and start manufacturing items that can't be inspected one by one, and you've got to build that reliability in.